Beep. It's an absolute beast of a Planarian, and its tail looks... You know, I actually can't decide. I can't decide if it's splitting or if it's injured. It looked like it's split. Yeah, chat, we had a splitting event. That is a wound right there. It is undergoing a wound healing now. You can see there is some tissue sticking out of its back. And then there's a little, like, cup at the tip of its tail. And that is demonstrating that, indeed, that's a wound healing. So we had... Earlier tonight, then, when we saw that mass on its tail, that's what was going to split off. And it looks like it has indeed split. Yeah, we did get a split on this Planarian. Beep.